I cannot understand that what I should have today. What? I'm so confused. The regular food I'm not willing to have. I'm so confused today. What I can have? Let's see that what I can have. Like, no. The regular food I'm not willing to have. So what I can have? My sweet tooth is, tingling too much. I'm thinking to give a party to myself. Let's see that what can I give to myself. A small treat. But too much time I don't have. So within a short period of time, how I can manage and give a party to myself, let's think. I'm almost ready. Party without a cake, it's just a meeting. Do you think so? Without a cake, without a pastry, without mousse, is this a party? Birthday, wedding party, any kind of party without any kind of confectionery or bakery things, it is just incomplete. So that's why today I thought to give myself in cupebong, that is in Kalikamore. There will be some wonderful platter, and there I will add some more things that will be just extra things I will add to my party. What will be there? That is a cake or confectionery things. Confectionery things is that kind of gift, that add on the happiness of the occasion. On an occasion, if you are giving a gift to someone or the celebrant, then he or she will be happier than before. Yes, this is going on November, right? Next month, what will be there? That will be, I know, everyone is waiting for the December 31st, and that time people are just eagerly waiting for December. So we have to plan accordingly. From Miomare, we will do that. Why I have chosen Miomare? You wanna know, right? Miomare, that means my love, that means my darling. If you love someone and you wanna say something to your dear one, then obviously in Italian you say mio amore or amor mio. In between, let's have just some bite. Don't only watch, rather than you watch full video, and in between just press the like button if you like, and after that, as you know, if you are new to my channel, then you subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get the all notification of mine. And today my motive is that we'll be only giving the vocabulary and the proper terms of bakery and the confectionery thing. Number 1, vocabulary, that is bakery and confectionery things. So I'm right now in cupebong, and cupebong has provided some items which are baked and some are confectionery things are also there. So today I will just tell you what is the exact difference between the bakery and the confectionery. Bakery means what? Bakery means the product which is baked. That can be the sweet one, that can be salty one too. I am in cupebong, and cupebong has provided a salty baked item, even also the confectionery items too. So here you can see that the cupebong has provided the bakery items, the sauté vegetable and the other salty product which are mouth-watering, and whereas Mio Amore, they have provided something which is baked. So this one cake which is sweetened one, and that one cupebong's, this platter, this one is salty one. So sweet and salty which is baked. So both items are called what? That is bakery item. I have already told about the bakery items, and right now I will tell about the confectionery items. So confectionery items which are salty? No, not at all. So salty and baked item and the sweet and baked item, those are not at all there, in the confectionery item. Confectionery items means man-made or the simple machines are used to make some product, some food items. Those are sweetened one, sweet best product, and they confections, and make the sweetened product. That is confectionery item. Number 2, vocabulary is savory. Savory food product means what? That means not at all a sweetened one. That means what? That means the salty or the spicy food. While the guests are coming to your home, so directly you are not providing the meal. Heavy meal you are providing? No, right? Before that, what you just provide, you will provide the savory item. So what do you mean by savory item? The sweet you are offering, sweet will be at last. So what will be the first one? First one will be the savory items, that is the small in quantity. Italians are very good in the savory items, and these are the fried and also before the meal will take, and these are salty and spicy. Number 3 will be the difference between the batter and the dough. What do you mean by the batter and the dough? Batter which is not that much thick, that is little bit thin, liquid things are there, liquid mixture is there of the batters, and batter means that is a thin mixture, and dough means before you are making one chapati, roti, what you will do, that will be not at all a liquid one, means very thin batter will be there. Before making the dosa, that time you can use the batter, but while you are making the chapati, that time obviously you will use the thick one, that is the dough. So here you can see already that I have shown that cupebong, they has provided us a nice ambient. Fourth one, vocabulary, that will be the difference between the loaf and the flat bread. You are thinking that loaf and the flat bread almost those are same. So not at all same. Loaf means that is a broadened one portion which we have to slice. This one is bigger rather than the flat bread. So here it has the yeast and the raisin part, that will be also there. So loaf means the whole or the broadened one quantity of the baked bread, and whereas I am showing that the flat bread, what it is. Flat bread means what? That flat breads are there which has not that much yeast, that will rise, right? And this is also the baked item. So this one, that will be the flat bread, and this one, that will be what? That will be a broadened one. You will just cut later to serve one, and that is the loaf of bread. This much for today, and I have already provided the 8 vocabulary and also the differences, means 4 vocabulary are there to differentiate the two words, right? And here where I am in cupebong, and that is the Lord's Moor, and I just enjoyed the entire day here. I have already finished today's lesson. I have shared some vocabularies and also the differences between one word to another one. In your practical life, you please implement those words and make your English better. Those who have not yet visited this place, do visit here, and I will just give the chance to the team of the cupebong. They will tell about this cafe.
Do visit cupebong.
Thank you all and bye-bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
Come
ma'am.
again.
Please come.